Welcome, guys. I'm gonna make meat pie today. Enjoy. For the filling, I've got minced beef, chopped onion, vegetable oil, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, curry, thyme, white pepper, and seasoning cube. I'm heating some oil in a pot. When it is hot, I'm going to pour in the onions and then I'll fry for some time. After that, I'm going to add the minced meat, which I'm adding, and then I'll continue to stir and stir. So the next thing for me to add is the spices. I've already crushed the seasoning cube, so I'm just going to add it right now and I'm going to stir it. Next comes the breadcrumbs. If you don't have breadcrumbs, use flour. Continue to mix as well. Then I'm going to add a little bit of liquid to allow the meat to cook. And finally, the meat stock. This is optional. If you don't have, just use water. So while the meat mixture cools down, let's prepare the pastry. I've got flour, which has been sieved, margarine, salt, cold water makes a better pastry, and then I add salt to the flour, cutting in the margarine, and then I'm going to mix till it looks like fine bread crumbs. As you see, I'm going to make a well inside it, and then I'll pour in the cold water and mix properly. So it's now a stiff paste. I'm going to knead on a board. It has been nicely floured. I'm going to put the paste, the stiff paste there, and roll. So to cut the pastry, I'll use this meat pie cutter or any bowl, kitchen bowl will do. Okay, so I'm tracing the shape of the pie cutter. Then I'll use a knife to cut it. Sorry, I didn't show it. I've forgotten the clip. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to roll it a little bit because I'm going to place it back again on the pastry cutter like this. So I'll add the meat pie filling. Not too much. I'll add it to the center. I moved out the edges a little bit again so that the shape of the edges will come out very well on the cutter. So what I'm going to do is I may decide to add water to the edges or not, but I'm not adding for this one. I'm just going to fold it, and then when I open it, see, it's out. The edges are well printed on it. If you don't have a meat pie cutter, just take a kitchen bowl, place it upside down, and then you trim off the edges. So I'll put some mixture on it, damp the edges, fold over, and I'm using a fork to seal the edges together. Then I'm gonna poke some holes on top. It makes it look beautiful. Bake the pies in a greased tray or use parchment paper. Cooking holes also let out steam, so I'm going to brush with the egg to give it a brown, good crust. Bake in a hot oven for like 20 minutes.